Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here, I will give you a poetry from made by myself. The title is Regret. Um, then, okay, in the silent glow of spring, our love on spark. Now time's relentless hands leave us dark, like AI, ephemeral dreams in electric force. We are echoes in algorithms, love cheaper difference merged in our coded breed. It's dispute, a broken line, a hidden death. Your betrayal is shadow in the silicon night, cracking the core, severing our digital life. Ons entwines like data streams in sea, no fragments memory on the brain. Our aspiration was filed in forgotten by too many errors for love in this night. In my mind, your ghost window and spectral time, like a lingering file in cyberspace, regret a loop, an ending in soul script. In virtual realms and real, our love essay. And it is for the translate in Indonesia. Dalam instance one, dalam cahaya senyap layar, cinta kita dulu menyala. Kini tangan waktu yang tak kenal ampun meninggalkan kita dalam kegelapan. Seperti mimpi-mimpi, sementara AI dalam kabut listrik. Kita adalah gema dalam algoritma sandi cinta yang hilang. For the stanza 2, perbedaan sekedar kesalahan kecil dalam napas terkode. Setiap pertengkaran, sebuah garis patah, kecurian tersembunyi. Pengkhianatanmu, bayangan dalam malam silika. Meletakkan inti, memisahkan cahaya digital kita. And for the stanza 3, pernah menyatu seperti aliran data yang selaras. Kini, kenangannya terpecah di tepi jurang. Harapan kita, file yang hilang dalam bait yang terlupakan. Terlalu banyak kesalahan untuk malam cinta yang tak berujung. For the stanza 4, alam pikiranku, bayanganmu tetap ada, jejak hantu, seperti file yang tertinggal di ruang siber. Penyesalan, sebuah loop tanpa akhir dalam naskah kesedihan. Di dunia maya dan nyata, gerhana cinta kita. Okay, for the next is interpret or interpretation for the stanza one. For the stanza one is in the silent glow of screen, our love on spark. Now, time's relentless and leave us dark. Like AI, ephemeral dreams in electric mist, we are echoes in algorithm love hypermist. For the stanza one is interpretation. The relationship began with promise and connection, illuminated by the silent glow of screen, suggesting an initial closeness possibly nurtured through digital communication. However, as time passed, the relationship deteriorated, leaving the individuals in darkness. The mention of AI, ephemeral dreams, and electric news highlights the fleeting nature of their love, likening it to the attention and intangible dreams of artificial intelligence. It has become echoes in algorithms, indicating that the love was lost in the complex pattern of life, perhaps misunderstood or overlooked, was like a cheaper encoded. And then for the interpret stanza two, the poem used technical jargon, to depict the difference and disputes in the relationship as glitch and broken line. Terms from coding that signify error or disruption. Its argument is seen as a hidden debt, stealing peace and harmony from their lives. The betrayal is depicted as a shadow in the Silicon Night, a dark and insidious presence that ultimately cracks the core of their relationship, severing their connection, repression as digital life. For the stanza 3 interpretation, the once harmonious relationship is compared to data stream in C, implying a seamless and unified connection. Now they are fragment memories on the brain, indicating that the shared experience are no disguise and on the verge of being lost. Their dreams our hope their dreams and hope are compared to lost file in forgotten files, emphasizing that their aspirations have been neglected or forgotten in the vast expanse of the life. The repetition of too many errors suggests that the love has been marred by too many mistakes to continue indefinitely. For the stanza 4 interpretation, the speaker is haunted by the memory of their partner, described as a spectral child, akin to a lingering file in cyberspace that remains even after the recent events. This lingering presence signifies unresolved feelings and memories that persist. Regret is depicted as an unending loop in soul script, suggesting a repetitive cycle of remorse and sadness. The final line, in virtual real and real our love asleep, underscore that the impact of the file relationship spans both their online interaction and real-world experience, resulting in a total escape of their love. And then the analysis, for the first is for the first aspect is type of works. Analysis is the poem use a mix of technical example like screens, algorithm, and glitch, and emotional words like love and regret. For the technical term, screen, algorithm, glitch, coded, silicon data stream, file, byte, in cyberspace. And for the emotional term, is like love, dark, dream, echoes, betrayal, shadow, memory, regret, and sorrow. And for the next aspect is type of lyrics. For the analysis is the poem is lyrical, expressing deep personal emotion and reflection on love and loss. For the poem is lyrical, characterized by its musical quality and expression of personal emotion. It reflects on the narrator's internal experience and emotion regarding a lost love. And for the next aspect is figure of speech, metaphor, silent glow of screen, AI, ephemeral dreams, shadow in the silicon night is similar and like data stream in scenes, like a lingering file in cyberspace, and for the personification, time, relentless hand, regret a loop, unending in sorrow script. For a figure speech metaphor, used extensively to draw parallels between the digital world and human emotion. For example, like silent glow of screen represent the initial spark of love, and AI ephemeral dreams signify fleeting hope. For the stimulus is comparison using light. to highlight to highlight similarities similar, similarities between different concepts such as like data stream instinct for harmony and like a lingering file in cyberspace for lingering memory. And for the personification is attributing human characteristics to non-human elements like human elements like such as time, relentless hand, and regret, a look, unending. And for the next aspect is genre. For the analyze modern techno-romantic poetry. For tech for modern techno-romantic poetry, this genre combines contemporary themes and technology imagery with the romantic exploration of love and love. And for the next aspect is stanza analysis. For the analysis is the poem consists of four poetry quatrains, four line stanza. Jadi ada empat stanza dalam puisi ini. And for the poem is structure in four quatrains. It's consisting of four lines. This structure provides a rhythm and balance the poem. And for the next aspect is emotion. The analysis is the predominant emotion are nostalgia, regret, and sorrow. The emotion is conveyed into nostalgia for the past, regret for mistakes, and lost opportunity. In sorrow for the relationship and these emotions are interwoven with a sense of in inevitability and lingering attachment. And for the last is real. My last is aspect real. The analysis, the poem has an AAB ring scheme in each stanza. The poem follow an AAB ring scheme, where the first two lines of each stanza rhyme with each other and the last two lines rhyme with each other. This consistent rhyme pattern adds to the poem musicality and flow. Here is an example of the rhyme scheme for the stanza 1. Spark A, da A, Miss B, and Miss B. For the stanza 2, breathe A, death A, night B, and light B. Okay, and a regret in this portrait, Masterfield employs the lexicon of technology to depict the intricacies of modern relationship, rise and fall. The poem, imagery, and metaphors draw parallels between digital era and human flaw, creating a poignant narrative both low, betrayal, and lingering regret. The use of cybernetic language not only grounds the poem in a contemporary setting, but also highlights the pervasive influence of technology in shaping human connection and emotion. Okay, I think it's that from my poetry for the interpret, interpret and analyze. Thank you. I will end this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.